are you ready to learn with Miss Kaye? Today we're going to learn how to read. We're going to read about farm friends. Are you ready? Let's do it. Farm friends. I see a... What do you think is this? What animal is this? Let's listen. It's a cow. So this is cow. Say it again. Cow. The cow says moo, moo. Let's read it again. I see a cow. One more time. I see a cow. Very good. Next one. I see a... What animal is this? Let's listen. It's a horse. It's a horse. This is a horse. So we read this as a horse. And the horse says, neigh, neigh. Let's read it again. I see a horse. One more time. I see a horse. I see a horse. Next one. I see a... What is this? Let's listen. It's a hen. Can you say hen? We read this as hen. Say it again. Hen. Let's read it. I see a hen. One more time. I see a hen. I see a hen. Next one. I see a... What animal is this? Let's listen. It's a sheep. We read it as a sheep. I see a sheep. So this is a sheep. We read it as sheep. What does a sheep say? Bah, bah. Okay, let's read it again. I see a sheep. One more time. I see a sheep. Next one. I see a... What animal is this? Let's listen. It's a duck. We read this as duck. What's the sound of a duck? Quack, 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 quack. Yes. Let's read it. I see a duck. One more time. I see a duck. I see a... What animal? Let's listen. It's a pig. Pig. We read this as pig. Pig. Let's read it again. I see a pig. Let's read it. I see a pig. Next one. I see a... What animal is this? Let's listen. It's a goat. We read this as a goat. What does a goat say? Meh, meh. I see a goat. I see a goat. A little bit fast. I see a goat. I see a... Where do we see these farm animals? We see them in a farm. So this is a farm. We read this as a farm. Say farm. Farm. Let's read it. I see a farm. One more time. I see a farm. Yes. Now, Miss Kaye wants to see if you know how to read the words that we just practiced, okay? I see. See. I see. One more time. I see. See. I see. Yes, very good, kids. Very good. Let's keep practicing some more words soon, okay? Thank you so much for joining me today.